Hi, welcome back to our channel, The Germanati. Today we have a special video and we have also a special guest. So we'll talk about more about jobs perspective as a perspective from HR. So let's welcome Anna. Hi, welcome Anna to our
Hi,
channel.
hi.
So can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, of course. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm 43 years old and I'm the team lead of our HR team in
Mhm.
a 50-person company. Yeah, I'm a colleague from Arati.
So thank you so much. And how long you have been working as HR?
Yeah, I'm working in HR over 20 years now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I started as a generalist and
Uh-huh.
then later specialized in personal development.
Oh, so you started your career as a journalist at
Yeah,
first.
yeah,
Ah, super. So did you have to do some course or study some
yeah.
university to become HR?
Yeah, after I finished school,
Uh-huh.
I started my education as an insurance clerk in an
Oh.
insurance company. After
Uh-huh.
my education, I'm working about 3 years
Mm-hmm.
for the customer service in the insurance company.
Uh-huh.
And on site, I studied, um, it's
Uh-huh.
called Versicherungsbetriebswirt.
Uh-huh.
And I also get to know HR topics.
Ah,
Yeah,
so you studied along with your job.
yes.
So was it like a full-time study or
No,
like you had to do part-time work and part-time
yeah,
studies
I worked full time and studied
along
on
with that?
week. Yeah, and
So I'm
studied on weekend.
assuming it would not have been like super easy doing both together.
No, it's really yeah, it's hard work.
Uh-huh. So, but do you think it's worth it? Like whatever hard work you did then to become HR?
Yeah, that was a good way for me. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
to
Okay.
work and and get paid and
Oh,
studied
yeah.
along. That's a good way. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's important. When you are
Yes.
getting paid and you are like able to sponsor yourself.
Yes.
So, yeah,
Yes.
I think
Yeah.
that's a very good idea.
Hmm.
And what do you think as a HR? How do you think recruiting process, what is important as in a
Yeah.
candidate for you when you are in the hiring process?
Yes. The recruiting process has to how do you say it, it have to be well functioning. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
from the first moment. Yeah, you
Mm-hmm.
have to stay in contact with the applicant from the
Mm-hmm.
first minute. Yeah, that's really important to get to know each other.
Mm-hmm. So for you, it's also important that the candidate you are getting to know better and like
Yes,
the interpersonal skills and so on,
yes,
right?
yes, yes,
Okay. So because you're working as a HR in Germany, of course, German language is the
yes,
one of the questions. That so do you think it plays a role when you're hiring
yes,
somebody?
yes, and no.
Uh-huh.
um, uh, you have to the no, the company has to decide that. Yeah, what's the
Mm-hmm.
company language?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a German company or is it
Mm-hmm.
an international company? And what's your
Mm-hmm.
role in the company?
Mm-hmm.
I think when you come to Germany and
Mm-hmm.
you want to stay here longer,
Mm-hmm.
you have to speak German.
Mm-hmm.
Not 100%, yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
you have to communicate in German. That's really important. If it's important in the company, hmm, yes and no. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So does this mean that company you are currently working is in a German company? Of course, I don't want to name it here,
Yes.
but do you think like because this is a German company, when in the hiring process, let's say there is a candidate who speaks good German and there is a person who speaks probably basic or not so good German.
Mm,
So is it possible that the person who is speaking German gets the preference?
no.
Uh-huh.
No.
Okay.
In our company, not. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
it's okay. You can start and only know
Know a little bit.
a
Uh-huh.
little bit. That's okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Um, it's important to get to know the colleagues. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We have English speaking colleagues and German speaking, and so you get better together. Yeah. If
Mm-hmm.
you can speak both
Both. Mm-hmm.
languages. Yeah. But you don't have to speak German perfect.
Mm-hmm. But overall in Germany,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
German is like needed or preferred probably.
Preferred, won't say preferred.
Uh-huh.
Needed. Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Okay.
But if you
So
have a job for 1 year here in Germany and go back later, yeah, I think you don't need to speak German.
yeah, I mean that's like a very
Yes,
short term, right?
yes,
1 year
yeah.
is really short term, but if you are looking for like
Mm.
long term, Yes, I
Yes.
think in job perspective, because that's what I wanted to know from the HR perspective, because there are many people out there who get job without German, especially in IT field, but that's not always the case. I mean, at least in my experience, it was not the case, because in the company, my company as well, where we are working like international team, we have many people who speak English and
Yes.
German and mixed, or there are only who speak English and so on. But for me, the interview was held in German. So the questions were asked in German, and I was supposed to answer in English
It
and so
changed a
on.
little
So
bit.
yeah, so I
Changed a little
and overall also all my like life in 8 years in Germany, I have also already felt that little bit German is always needed. Not like the 100% proficient or professional level, but a little bit of German is always, you know, better to have.
That's the reason why we
Provide
give you the provide
German.
and give you the chance of German courses. Yeah.
Yes, that is
That's the
also there are
reason, yeah.
there are companies who give you chance to learn German if you are interested. So yes, that is also the important point to note here.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Anna, for your
Yeah.
time and your opinions. So I hope this will help you. If you like this, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.